Well, hello everyone, and thank you for joining me. I'm Jill Bloom, Group Publisher of Walls and Ceilings, and welcome to a special episode of If Walls Could Talk. It is an absolute honor to have with me today Bob Fletcher, who is the Vice President of Sales at Armstrong. Bob, thank you so much for joining me.
Jill, thanks for having us. We're incredibly excited to be here. A tremendous show, incredible turnout here today.
It is, absolutely. Well, what's even more exciting is what's happening at Armstrong. So can you give us an update though? What is Armstrong showcasing? What's happening? What's really exciting?
Certainly, thank you, Joe. Appreciate the opportunity. We're excited to be displaying several different solutions that we have here today, and those solutions are focused on efficiencies, things that we can provide to our contractor customers to get them on and off jobs quicker so they can make as much money as possible. Some of the solutions I'd like to talk to that we have installed here in our booth today are our frame wall suspension system, as well as our simple soffit suspension system. Both those solutions are manufactured here in the United States, and those solutions install 3 times faster than traditional methods. The other solution that we're showcasing today is our data center ceiling solutions. Data centers is an ever-growing segment, and it's growing in each and every region in our country. And we are the only ceiling manufacturer that provides a complete and total ceiling solution. We're incredibly excited about the opportunities we have to grow and be impactful in that segment here.
So, the first thing that you were just mentioning, you said something about 3 times faster. That sounds really cool. Can you talk more about that?
Absolutely. So we spent a lot of time focusing on, again, different ways to create efficiencies for our contractor customers, to give them better ways to build, more effective ways to build. These ceiling solutions and the grid suspensions associated with them allow our contractor customers, based on our engineering, to get things done more effectively, quicker, and get on to the next job and make more money for their businesses.
Well, and that's what it's all about, right?
Absolutely.
And so the name of that product again is?
Simple Soffit.
Simple Soffit, okay,
and
that's
our
awesome.
frame all grid solutions.
Okay, and so what else do contractors say about that they love the most?
They enjoy the pre-engineered nature of those products and the simplicity associated with the install with those solutions.
Yeah, well, anything that's 3 times faster has got to be amazing.
That's
awesome.
It is.
Well, what else is happening? Because I know there's more than just that.
Absolutely. I'm really excited to talk about a new solution that we have.
Okay.
We're not showcasing here, but it's something that we've launched throughout the country. It's really a new business. It's energy saving solutions. And our first product in that business is Ultimate Temp Lock.
Okay.
What Ultimate Temp Lock is, it's an innovative ceiling that can reduce energy costs by up to 15%.
Okay.
So this uses phase change material that helps mitigate the temperature flows within the building, that reduces cycle time with your HVAC and ultimately reduces the cost associated with running your HVAC system throughout a building. Temp Lock panels add a new attribute to our overall mineral fiber ceilings portfolio. We really believe that this technology can open up a boom of renovation that provides tangible and actual return on investment for facility managers and owners, and creates opportunities for our ceiling contractors to do more work. So we're incredibly excited about this new solution that we have out there in the marketplace.
All right, well that's really fun. I'm hearing this for the first time. So what is the technology that you use within the ceiling system that reduces by 15%, you were saying?
Yes, so it's phase change material.
Okay.
It's not necessarily a new science or a new thing. It's something that's new to the ceilings side of the business. We're actually putting this on the back of our ceiling panels.
Oh, nice.
So from an installation standpoint, installs the same way, just a new attribute that's on the back of our product that also enhances the acoustics of that product, which is what we're known for and why people utilize acoustical ceilings.
I love it. Well, acoustics is very important. There's no doubt about it, because we know when you're in big rooms or even in small rooms, acoustics need to be.
We need some here,
I know, right? Exactly.
It's hard to hear.
It's all good. Well, thank you so much for joining me. If anybody has any questions, so where do they go? How do they find out more?
Go to our website. And the other pitch I'd like to make is we have a contractor club.
Yeah,
so
what's
as you
that?
go to our contract, go to our website and get more information on the products I talked about and the totality of our portfolio. But in addition, sign up for our contractor club. It's where you can get updates on how to build things better, how to build things faster, and also hear more things about Armstrong and the products and services that we offer to the community.
Well, that's cool. So what is the contractor club? Is it on social? Is it a social media? Is it a Facebook group, or what is it?
It's honestly, it's a club of just contractors that we connect with to show them things that we're doing, things we're developing, opportunities for products they have to utilize or services that they can utilize for their benefit.
Well, there's nothing better than connecting contractors because it is fun to watch them when they share ideas. And so how do you get those contractors together through that club?
So we will do different things associated with email mailings and also connect them with our local sales assets to have more in-depth either product demonstrations or testimonials, showing them how to install some of the products or how to utilize or how to buy some of the products that we have out there in the marketplace.
I love it. Well, that is really cool. Thanks for doing that because
Thanks.
I know that's something that's great for contractors to connect with each other.
Absolutely.
And with great products like Armstrong.
Absolutely, Jill.
Well, again, so tell me the website. Where do they go?
Go to www.armstrong.com.
Okay, well, that's easy.
Absolutely.
And if anybody has any questions for us, it is wconline.com. And while you're there, make sure you sign up for all our free content, especially follow us on all our social media channels so you can stay up to date on all the great interviews we're doing like we are today with Bob at Armstrong. But most importantly, stay safe and healthy, and we can't wait to talk to you soon. Thanks so much.
Thanks, Jill. Appreciate the time.
Take care.